In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track attendance in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access your home dashboard. So, go ahead and log in to your Monday.com account if you haven't already. Once you are in, this will take you straight to your main dashboard where all your projects and boards are displayed. Next, we need to add a new board. On the left side of the screen, look for your workspace. You'll find an Add button, which usually appears as a plus sign. Click on that and then select the Board option. This is where you will create a dedicated space for tracking attendance. Now, instead of starting from scratch, let's simplify things. Choose the option to start with a template. This will save you a ton of time and effort, allowing you to utilize pre-built features. After selecting that, you'll need to search for the attendance template specifically. At the top of the template center, there's a search bar. Go ahead and type attendance into that bar. This will help you find the right template that suits your needs. Once you've typed that in, click on the attendance sheet template that appears in the search results. Then, follow that up by clicking on the Use Template button. It may take just a moment for the system to generate the board for you. Patience is key here as it sets everything up neatly for tracking. With your attendance board now created, it's time to manage employee data effectively. The board will automatically populate several useful columns. Here's what you'll find. First, there's the Employee Details section that includes essential information such as the employee's name, manager, and employee ID. This makes it simple to identify who is who right at a glance. Next, we have the time tracking columns, which are organized by the specific week, month, and year. This part is crucial, enabling you to keep your attendance organized chronologically. As for marking the attendance status, the board will include daily columns where you can easily mark attendance for each employee. This function allows you to stay updated on who is present and who is not every single day. Finally, it's time to track absences and leaves. Utilize the responsive columns available for marking various categories. Here you can specify if an employee took a sick day, absent status, or vacation. This meticulous tracking will assist you in managing employee attendance better and ensuring that you have a clear picture of workforce availability. And that's it! You've successfully set up an attendance tracking system using Monday.com. By following these steps, you can simplify the way you monitor attendance and manage employee data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Thank you for watching.